Providing a higher available vitamin D, we bypass one step. So we will provide the 2,5-hydroxycholecalciferol. So we bypass the liver step, and then will be activated only at the kidney level. So that's why it's more bioavailable.
It's the most beautiful packaged product Mother Nature provides us with, the egg. And the question is, can we improve egg quality even further? This is the main talking point of this episode of Future Feed Talks. I am Fabian Brockötter, the Editor-in-Chief of Poultry World, and this series is in cooperation with dsm-firmenich Animal Nutrition and Health. Today I will be talking to Francesco Castellone, Global Product Manager at dsm-firmenich. Well, Francesco, thank you for being in the hot seat of Future Feed Talks.
Yeah, thank you very much for inviting me in this interview, and yeah, I'm really pleased to have a chat with you. Happy to be here.
Well, thank you. Of course, today we're going to talk about egg quality. And when it comes to air quality, what would be the main parameters which are on your radar?
Yeah, this is a great point. For me, the issue is that nowadays we know that 50% of the eggs they cannot be sold globally because of egg quality related to the eggshell. So how we can make sure that we have to reduce this number, this data, and to have more eggs to be sold.
Mm-hmm. And where do you see, because you're talking about breakage, I presume, do you see a lot of breakage on the farm or further in the process?
Yeah, the breakage can happen either on the farm or during the process when we are packing the eggs and so on. So it is an issue that can be addressed in both. So that is quite clear. The thing is that we need to take some action before in order to have less breakage along the line. Yeah.
And what could producers do to achieve better egg quality or strength?
Yeah. So to produce a better eggshell quality, we need to make sure that the layers they have an adequate diet that will provide enough calcium. Mm-hmm. So this is the most important point. And we know that for the metabolism of calcium, we need vitamin D. In this case, it is nowadays, it is very important to provide a higher available vitamin D. Mm-hmm. So the layers, they can use this in a more efficient way and faster way. Such as we have the high D that can provide this kind of high available vitamin D. Yeah.
And can you tell something about the metabolism itself from vitamin D to calcium?
Yeah, definitely. Providing a higher available vitamin D, we bypass one step. So we will provide the 2,5-hydroxycholecalciferol. So we bypass the liver step, mm-hmm. and then will be activated only at the kidney level. So that's why it's more bioavailable.
Yeah. And are there other key factors that determine eggshell quality or egg quality?
Yeah, other factors, as I said, we need to make sure that there is a bone health, and the layers nowadays they are producing for longer period. They are producing more eggs, mm-hmm. and therefore we need to guarantee that the bone health it is optimal. Mm-hmm. In order to have more calcium available to deposit when the layers is creating the eggshell.
As layers are genetically constantly improving, how can we make sure that when they produce more eggs for a longer period, that the quality of the egg stays stable?
Yeah, definitely. So I touched briefly before on this topic, but the main point here is that the layers, the older they get, they go to an osteoporosis process. We need to make sure there is adequate vitamin D or more available vitamin D and calcium in the diet in the right time when the eggshell is provided and in the right shape as well.
Would that mean that you will increase the level of vitamins during when the birds get older?
No, this is a process that has to be from all the way through the life of the birds in order to guarantee, to provide that constant access of calcium for the eggshell. Yeah.
Yeah. So when you can't repair when you are too late.
Correct. Yeah.
Are there any other aspects of egg quality which you want to address?
Yeah, definitely. Egg quality, sometimes we think is only about eggshell quality, but also we need to think other parameters. And for me, egg quality is also internal egg quality. And when we talk about that, it is about yolk. And the thing that we like, having a nice color of yolk, we immediately think, okay, this egg is coming from a healthy layer. So it's nice to have a good egg with a nice bright color of the yolk.
And how can we influence that?
Yeah, basically this is very simple. Yeah, we need to provide carotenoids in our diet, and the carotenoids in the diet will provide the color, the right color for our yolk. But in order to do that, it has to be first of all absorbed in the gut. So if we do not have an optimal gut health, we can provide carotenoids, but it will not be deposited in the yolk.
Right.
So it is a process. Therefore, we need healthy layers to have a brighter color of our yolk.
Yeah. So gut health is an important factor as well. How can we promote that and measure that?
Yeah, definitely. Another way to measure, okay, we do have a nice yolk, but how do we measure it? Here in dsm-firmenich, we do have a different way to measure yolk color. It can be done manually with our poultry fan.
Yeah.
This is quite common in the market, as we are the market leader on that, and the reference as well. But also recently we do have a digital. Nowadays we are digitalizing everything, and we also digitalize our poultry fan in a digital yolk fan.
And how does that work? How does it?
Basically, this is very simple. We have a tool that can, with an adapter, that can be applied directly on the yolk. At this machine, will measure objectively the color of the yolk. It will give you a number, will associate the intensity of the color to this number. The beauty of these machines, this tool, is that it is connected to your phone. So there is an app that you can download on your app shop or on the Google iPlayer. And then you can see on your app the number that was associated to the yolk.
To give an overview on general eggshell quality and also intrinsic quality, can you share some of the success stories of your customers on poultry farms?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we have plenty of success stories, and it, for me, I see a success when I see an happy customer. This is nice to see how the customer is developing, is growing his own business. So we have many customers around the world that they would like to improve their egg quality. And this is nice to have it when they ask for your technical expertise and then also with the collaboration, technical expertise, and right and efficient products, we can achieve very good results in terms of egg quality internally and externally.
Thank you very much for explaining. It's for sure a great topic to further explore with the delegates of the Poultry Days. Well, thanks for your time here, Francesco.
Thank you for having me. It was really a pleasure to talk to you today.
Well, thanks. Thank you for watching Future Feed Talks. Do you want to see more episodes or listen to our podcast? Please click on the link below.